Welcome back to the AirTouch tutorial series. In this video, we'll explore some of the advanced gesture control features, including how to enable touch mode and how to map gestures to the middle mouse wheel scroll. By default, AirTouch gestures translate to mouse actions. However, if you want to use swipe gestures like on a touchpad, for example, swiping up, down, left, right to navigate, you can turn on touch mode. Go to File Advanced Settings. In the Touch drop-down box, select one hand. Then click Save and Close. Touch mode is now enabled for your current gesture profile. Keep in mind that this setting applies only to the active profile, so if you switch profiles, you'll need to enable it again. Next, let's look at how to use gestures to scroll like the middle mouse wheel scroll. Once you've mapped a gesture to the middle mouse scroll, you can scroll through pages, documents, or images just by moving your hand. To scroll forward, perform your gesture and push your hand forward. To scroll backward, pull your hand back. To stop scrolling, simply open your palm. You can fine-tune the scroll speed in the Key Map Settings dialog box. Slide left to scroll faster, or right to scroll slower, so you can match the sensitivity to your preference. For best results, we recommend mapping the number 4 inches or fist gesture for middle mouse wheel scroll. And that's it, you've just learned how to enable touch mode for swipe gestures, and how to map gestures to middle mouse wheel scroll for smooth, air gesture scrolling.